How to write notes in Messenger Story. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. Messenger Notes is a new feature released by Messenger, which is much like the Instagram Notes feature. Now, in this feature, you can simply write down new notes, and it is quite a cool feature that you can use. So, in this video, let's learn how to write notes in your Messenger Story. For this, you want to open up the Play Store app, and now you want to search for Messenger. Then, if you find the update button, simply tap on that option. And once Messenger has been updated to the latest version, you will be able to find this feature. For this, tap on open and then open the Messenger app. Now, here on your profile icon at the top, you can find a plus icon. Tap on that option, and here it says share a thought. So you can simply type whatever you want over here. Once you are done with typing this, you can tap on the share button. Remember that you only have the limitation of 60 characters to write. So once you have written that, tap on the share button. Once you do that, it's going to look something like this. You can also read other people's note in this way. Now, if you want to delete your note, simply tap on it, and here you have the option to delete note, or you can also leave a new note. So tap on that option and you can simply leave another note over here. Now tap on share. And this is how you can write notes in Messenger Story. And that's it for this video. We hope you guys found it helpful. Please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.